is a drain spin, like it's a rinse one. Clean washer, hand wash, and delicates. Okay. What about the delayed wash? I don't want to do that. I'm not gonna do that, so I never do that. Quick wash, normal, Cussel, I think. Heavy duty, whiteness test, yeah, white. Soak, strain spin, rinse spin, and clean washer. Extra rinse. We
Có đói bụng không?
So we have this garment, like a soap dispenser. You like, I don't want to push this, so it might go out. Those washers, soap dispenser will go out. Oh, this is a Whirlpool. Do it. Yeah. I might do the loud one. So yeah. Is delay wash, extra rinse, and hot, warm, and cold water, and high, medium, lows. And this is a voice loud, soft, off. It's me. I put loud at it. So like pause, cancel, start, and press and hold. You should press and hold that, okay? So this is also the dryer. Right? So yeah, let me check this. Like stud or anything. Where it sounds it right now, nothing else. Like, check the dryer over there. Okay, good. Oh, let me go closer so you can see it better. Okay, so yeah, right there, and so. Yeah. I might, so, my hand. So, spin speed, wash temperature, all cold rinse, end of cycle signal, hold 3 seconds to lock and unlock control. You should hold that, but I'm not gonna do that. So, yeah. So, moving on to the dryer. Okay, so quick dry, time dry, damp dry. Let's see, super delicate and delicate, hustle, normal, heavy duty, and touch up. So like 40 and like sad face. Oh, 20. Okay, so yeah. And also, oh, forgot this. Add garment, soak, wash, rinse, spin, and cycle completely. Oh, I forgot to read this. With bleach only. The cycles are here. And this is a Whirlpool Do It Sport. Let me check the drip down there. Oh wow. How about this? And it's a high, medium, low, extra low, air only, temperature, adjust, more dry, normal, less dry, be that, what's that? Dryness, auto cycles, loud, soft, off. It should be a loud one, like the beeping sound. And the end of cycle signal. Hold 3 seconds to unlock control. You should press start and press and hold. I think you should hold that too. Same thing as the washing machine. I think they're twins. And pause and cancel. Good job. I'm gonna do something. I mean, this is a wrinkled shelled auto manual. Over here is sensing wet, damp, cool down, Cycle Complete Wrinkle Shell. Shield or shell? I think so. Shell. Let me check the dryer. This is the Whirlpool one. Clean before each load. Right here. Clean before each load. So, I might turn this on, like wrinkle. So, so right here is wrinkle everything's like wrinkle. And 2 more. Last but not least, today. Done. Okay, things all ready. I should do that. So this is a Whirlpool Do It Sports. This is a dryer and that's a washer. Let me show you the. Turn this off. Moving. Hold on. Let me show you the washing soap dispenser again. So you should. This is a tab right here. Soap dispenser. You can take it out if you want. You can take this out when you pull it out, and so you can see the water is leaking on the soap dispenser. It's not leaking right now. Just washed it like long time, so. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are extra rinse. Let's check the washing machine. It's all closed inside. So, yeah. So the Whirlpool. Oh, okay, I didn't show you this right. Yeah, the Whirlpool is the mod is WFW841O SW02, and then type is 832. Sir is like HLW42. Let's see, 4283482. Made in Mexico. So nothing else. That's a good one. This right here is 8540302. It's like the cushion, like this right here. This is a instruction, like nothing. Like let me copy this. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So also this one too. Right here. Oh, blurred. Okay, there. The washing machine like suds before, like at least like long time. I just show you this. Oh, right here. I forgot this. It says the right here. I show you here. Whirlpool is like type DHZN ELE 2406024 EL54. The mod is like model number is WED 8410 SW2. And right here is just like nothing else. Oh, I gotta copy this too. The model number. This is tiring to make this video. No problem. So am I going to Gilroy Gardens tomorrow? But I'll see you guys there. This is the washing machine. Well, yeah. This is the Whirlpool Do It Sports, and this is also Whirlpool Do It Sports. There's so many. And I'm gonna show you the soap dispenser. Soap. is that extra? This soap. And I'll show you this here. This is a fabric softener. This is a soap extra. And this is also the baby one. Fabric softener. The baby, wash the baby clothes. So, I might show you, let me show you the soap dispenser one more time. Oh, HE. Use only high. I don't want to read that. This is a thing right here. HE. HE. So, I'm gonna show you this. This is a detergent. You go right here. This is a soap. And the fabric softener, you go here. And this is a bleach, also go here in the middle, on top. So, soap, fabric softener, and the bleaches. The bleach. And there's an energy star. And also, do you have another energy star? Yeah. I might going to the Gilroy Gardens. The Gilroy Gardens for Fantastical Flowers for April Fool's tomorrow. I might going there tomorrow. So, I might see you guys there. So, you know, do you know I can spin this, like, I'll show you. I'll show you this. Wait. I hope the soap dispenser will not fail. Oh. Wait, okay. Let's see if the camera fell off or not. Okay, I hope it's not fell. I'm gonna spin it. Oh. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm not doing anything. Do this. I might spin this, okay? I hope, I don't know. Where should I put? Like this. I hope this water bottle will not fall off. This thing, so. I hope this does not fail again with this water bottle. Oops. Ah, there. There we go. Be careful. I hope this is not fell. There. There. Come on. I'm afraid it's gonna fail. There. Okay. Ready? Like nothing else. You mean I spin this like several years ago? If I spin this with the clothes on it. Like I spin faster than like bouncy, like nothing, huh? If you like you want to go like this, like if you want to go like that, fast, like I'll show you again, like that. See that? That's why the clothes is like there. So finally stop. This is like I spent this like several years ago, and so yeah, like what? Like garlic theme or like stop this now. Like what? You know that, so, I know, sad. Just give me 1 second, yeah, what? the washer. I'm showing the washing machine and the dryer. So yeah. This is might be the I know this is a washing machine and a dryer. I think I've seen this like a long time. So yeah. So yeah, this is like the washing machine. It's like a long time. So yeah. Alright, I think this is my no conversation. Like extra, like what I had to. So I will help you just forgive me, like, and give it a shout out, like give it a shout out to I don't know who, like my grandma just sneezed already, so like just give it to shout out to Jessica Chen or Athena Lee. So yeah. And do you yeah. So this is my I like this washer. I like the Whirlpool one better. I like the Whirlpool one. Like it's like twins, like anything. Just give it to shout out to like what? So yeah, I had to like nothing like else like there's the washing machine. So yeah, this is an awesome thing to do, and yeah, this is like so I'm not gonna press that, and I'm not gonna press that, the cycle, and then so I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do the delay wash, and I'm not gonna do that, but I never tried that before. I watched the YouTube one, so all cold rinse right here. It's blurry. Okay, here. And so yeah, wait, this is a screen right here, and also the screen is black. The yellow is like you have numbers. It's yellow numbers. They have yellows in it. Yellow light. Let me show you with the yellow light right here. It's all yellow. It's all yellow. Also this one. So it's also yellow light. Like my camera's like turns into a green light. Let me turn this off real quick. So this sounds like something else, and yeah. Like, so yeah. If you need anything, like, please let me know. If you have any questions, like, please let me know. Alright, so I think this is the end of the videos. So until next time, so make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have any questions. And so I'll see you guys in the I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, and I'll film another washer. Yeah, and see ya, I guess. And no. I guess stop this video.